Hey techies, this is Abbas from Codesyard. In this video, we are going to see what is a function. So before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's go back to the topic. Imagine you are watering the plants in your garden. So let me print like watering plants in morning, and I'm copying and pasting it. Watering plants in evening. So imagine you are doing it for today. That is, I'm commenting this line, doing it for today. So what is a comment? If you put a hash in front of a statement, that is, the Python will skip that line, and it is for the humans to understand what the code does. So let me run the script and see, it has skipped the commented line and other two lines are printed. So now let us do the same task for tomorrow. So I'm copying and pasting and tomorrow. So let me run the script and see, now it has printed the same statement twice. Friends, it's really a bad practice to repeat the block of code in your program. To avoid this, we use functions. So let me show you that. Before that, I'm erasing this and this. You have to define a function and then call it. So let me simply write as def, which means defining a function. And you have to give a name to the function. You can give whatever name you want. So I'm calling my function as robot. And you have to put the bracket. You have to tell Python that it is not a variable and it's a function name. For that I'm mentioning this brackets. And then put the colon at the end of the function name. And these blocks of code which are comes under function must be indented. So I'm giving a tab space. So now let me call the function by using its name. Let me check this. Boom, see, it's working. So imagine like I have built a robot to do my tasks. So whenever I call this robot, it will do my tasks. So instead of copying and pasting the entire stuff, we can call this using a function name. It will run the function as many times as you call it. So let us check it. So I'm just copying this robot and pasting it for the second time. So let me run the script and see, it's printing twice. So now let us see some other cool examples. So before that, I'm clearing my shell and this code. In this example, I'm gonna name my function as greeting, and I'm adding a print statement to print hi. Oops. So now I'm calling this function. Let me run the script and see, it prints hi. But it would be nice if I add a name to it. So like hi John. It would be nice, right? So for that we need to pass an argument. So whatever value we are passing inside this brackets are called as arguments. So now I'm passing a value called Abbas. So let me run the script. Oh, it's throwing an error. But why? Because friends, I'm passing a value here. I needed to get it somewhere, right? For that, I'm using a variable called name. And you can use this variable in your function like this. And let me run the script. And see, it's printing hi Abbas. So let me change this value. You can give whatever value you want. Let me say it as good morning. And let me run the script. And see, it's giving hi good morning. So this is how you can customize your function. And how cool is that? Friends, functions are very important concept. Imagine if you are doing a big project. It's a good practice to split your tasks in a separate function. So if you want to do some changes in your code, you can change a particular function and not disturbing the other parts of the code. So let's stop here for today. Now let's go for the takeaway for this session. There are some important things to note from this session. We use function to avoid repetition of codes. An argument is a value that is passed to a function when the function is called. So that's all friends. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for more Python videos.